Mission Health sets another record for COVID-19 hospitalizations. There are currently 120 confirmed COVID-19 patients in the Mission Health system. That's 15 more than yesterday. 100 of those are at Mission Hospital in Asheville. It comes on the same day the first healthcare worker there received a dose of the Pfizer vaccine. News 13's Stephanie Santastasi is live now. Stephanie, it was a historic moment there.
Yes, and hopefully a small light at the end of the tunnel. I've also just learned that Haywood Regional has received its allotment of vaccines and has begun vaccinating. Now, here at Mission, they plan to continue these vaccines all throughout the day and into the weekend at all the hospitals associated with Mission throughout the region here. Now, take a look at these pictures. They were provided to us by Mission Health. It shows Matthew Kohberger receiving his shot this morning. He's a nurse at the hospital and works on the COVID unit. He was the first person at Mission to get the vaccine. In its first shipment from Pfizer, Mission received nearly 3,000 doses. All frontline high-risk healthcare workers in the system will be the first to receive it. Kohberger says he felt lucky to be the first one, especially at a time where the hospital here in Asheville recorded 100 people hospitalized for COVID-19. That's up more than 10 from just the day before. Now, coming up tonight here on News 13 at 5 and 6, you'll hear from some of those people who administered those shots today, as well as from the people who were lucky enough to receive one. We're live here in Asheville. Stephanie Santastasi, News 13.
Good morning. I'm Katie Killen. Firefighters in Hendersonville are investigating the cause of an overnight fire at the Apple Valley Travel Park. Henderson County emergency officials responded to the camper fire at 3 a.m. 2 people inside were not hurt. The investigation into what caused the fire continues. An Asheville man is charged in connection with a murder on Christmas Eve in 2016 in Tennessee. Authorities say fishermen found the body of Keela Gilbert Taylor in the Watauga River near Johnson City. DNA at the scene matched 31-year-old Zephyrin Parker. Investigators say Parker is homeless and has been living in Asheville. He's being held in the Buncombe County Detention Center pending extradition to Tennessee. Ingles joins other grocery store chains in helping customers during the pandemic with curbside pickup service at certain stores. There are 4 test stores so far. They are located in Skyland, Swannanoa, Tunnel Road, and Candler. Those stores have signs saying customers can order online and pick up at the curb. Now here's meteorologist Ingrid Alstead with your Skywatch forecast.
Good morning, Katie. Happy Friday to all of you. By noontime, 35 degrees, so still cold for your lunch hour. And this afternoon, chilly in the lower to middle 40s at 4 p.m. and temperatures dropping down to close to freezing as we go into the 7 o'clock hour again this evening. Here's a look at some changes headed our way. Light snow, freezing rain late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Shouldn't be a huge impact on the region, but some higher elevations will see slick spots by Sunday morning. Christmas Eve, we have the chance for rain that could transition to snow for some, and potentially some of those snow showers continuing into Christmas morning. Temperatures today slightly below average in the lower 40s in Asheville. Here's your Asheville 7-day forecast. Have a fantastic Friday.
An extreme skimboarding champ pulls off a crazy stunt you have to see to believe. I'm Jay Siltzer. This is your morning cup of Jay. A skimboarding champion shares a crazy video online. This moment shows Austin Keene skimboarding at nearly 50 miles per hour. He traveled from one lake to another through a metal tunnel. The stunt took place in Tennessee. It was part of a coordinated group effort between Austin and 2 of his friends. He says he wants to do a stunt like this in a Super Bowl commercial or in an action movie. We've all dropped our cell phones, but have you ever dropped one out of a moving airplane? That's just exactly what happened to one man in Rio de Janeiro. The wind caught this documentary maker's phone and down it went. He used the tracker to find it. Believe it or not, it survived the fall. It took 19 seconds for it to hit the ground. Ford Motor Company adds some tech to the traditional ugly Christmas sweater. It created this prototype of an actual outerwear item. It features Rudolph with his big red nose. There are several projectors hidden in that nose, as well as his antlers. They illuminate a Christmas tree on the ground, reminding everyone to stay 6 feet away. I'm Jay Siltzer. That's your morning cup of Jay. Have a great day.